Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum as we are closing or getting close to the end of the day. The idea is still that we are currently in a wave 2 pullback here. I'm only focusing on the shorter time frame here in this video because there isn't really any change other than the forecast was followed through. In the previous video I communicated that I would like to see a clearer three-wave structure to the upside, and I think we see that. I mean, I can now make out here an A wave, the B wave and the C wave possibly rallying just now. It might retest this trend line from below, but what was important for me here was at least to reach the 50% retracement, because it just gives a little bit more clarity, gives a bit more comfort. Because otherwise it would have been a very, very shallow and short wave 2. Now I'm quite comfortable to say that this looks like a healthier wave 2. Maybe we can even reach the next resistance level here in the red box, which is the 1829 level at the 61.8 fib retracement. And yeah, as I said, it can use the entire thing here, but a sustained break above 1847, 1848 would make me think that the change of wave count is needed, because a wave 2 that goes above the 78.6 retracement is typically not reliable. So the question is, how high does this C wave go? And you know, we can use, obviously we've got the Fibonacci retracements as possible targets. We can combine that with an assessment of the Fibonacci extension levels. You can see we reached the first one now, the 61.8 extension at 1815. And that's pretty much overlapping with a 50% retracement. That is a common target for a C wave. It is not as common as the 100% extension. That would be at 1832, very close to the golden ratio. So if I talk about probabilities, it would be more likely, yeah, to go a little bit higher, sort of hit the golden ratio and the 100% extension, but obviously it can turn around at any time. And if we get a break below that yellow B wave low here at 1787, then we have a first strong indication that this wave 2 is over. So I wouldn't be surprised to see that fairly quickly here. But either from here, yeah, this is an ideal spot to turn around, or from the 1830 level, which would be the next important level where it can easily turn around. So, you know, it's like, how many steps do we take? But it has reached now an area where we can say that a turnaround in a third wave is very likely. On the 1 hour though, we haven't reached the overbought range. I mean, it could very well be we push a little higher to the golden ratio and turn around then, yeah. Last time we were sort of in that region here. Yeah, I mean, last time we reached the overbought range and did overshoot a bit. We'll see. I mean, again, I think if we push higher, yeah, the overbought range here will be reached probably before we break above the 78.6 retracement. So we have a good chance to turn around somewhere there. But so far there is no reduction in positive momentum. When you see the 1 hour MACD start to slow down and turn around, that could be an indication that this rally is over, and then we have a nice short setup here for a third wave to the downside. So yeah, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership, and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content every day about mindset, trading, TA, Elliott Wave and so on. So feel free to check that out. You find the links in the description. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.